Alright, so as you can see, how I got my crown back was that I followed this video. Basically says you cannot have administrator or roles separate, so you can't have them checked. You have to have one of the roles. So this is how I fixed it. My problem was that I had this and this checked, but it has to be unchecked for it to work. And having your staff have this role, have them have the administrator, and have them have it separately, and then give them a one that says separately but have it say no administrator. But that was the problem. I had this checked, right? It said I had administrator, but since I'm already the server owner, I already have those permissions. So let me refresh. Disappears. Hold on. It will show I have no crown if I have in both of them. So I had both of them, right? But it's really, you have to take off that option. So since I'm already server owner, I don't need to have the permissions. So I have this, save changes, and I have, it'll show the crown. So as you can see, I already have the crown. So that is how you get your crown back in your server. And this, for example, see, I have the crown up here because my role is displayed separately, but I don't have admin. See, that's why it has the crown. Alright, so hopefully that makes sense. And for example, he doesn't have the crown, but yeah, that's how you get your crown back. So hopefully that helped you out. I had to spend so much time figuring that out. I lost it, and I got it back, and I was wondering where it went, and I had to accidentally give my permission administrator, so that's why it doesn't work. Hopefully this helped you out. If you're still having trouble, you can just let me know in the comments. So yeah, hopefully that helped you out. I wish I had known that. I could just link a video, this video, I'll send it to you on the video. Alright, thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.